Good morning, and this is day 2. Today we're going to Islets of Adventures, so let's get the day started. The Hawk ride, for those of you that don't know, we're about to get in it. Let's see how packed this is today, because today's Saturday, so this is a different story. We're gonna see how long the wait is, and I will let you guys know. So the park was a little more crowded than the day before. However, the lines weren't as long as I thought they would be. It turned out to be that the longest line we waited was 25 minutes. Not so bad for a Saturday, right? Don't forget to pass by the Harry Potter section. Islets of Adventures also has its own Harry Potter rides. Once you get to this section, make sure you don't forget your butterbeer. You will regret it if you don't try it. Unlike Universal Studios, Islets of Adventures has 3 water rides: Jurassic Park River Adventure, the Popeyes Water Ride, and Dudley Do It Right Ripsaw Falls. The Jurassic Park ride is not that bad when it comes to getting wet. However, the other 2 rides, you will be completely soaked. So either bring extra clothes with you or bring a poncho and some flip-flops that you can change into while you're on the ride. On the Popeye ride, there's a section where you can sit and change your shoes and take your poncho off before heading to the next ride. And now we enter into the Seuss Landing. This section is specifically for children under the age of 7. If you don't have any kids, you can just simply pass through. So this is a short video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed editing it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to also hit that bell button so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Well, till next time, bye!